Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest market news as the S&P 500 and Nasdaq posted record closes this past Friday. The latest jobs report has reignited hopes for rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. Let's break down what this means for investors and the broader economy. Market highlights. The S&P 500 rose to a new high on Friday, closing at 5,567.19, up 0.54%. The Nasdaq Composite also hit a record, gaining 0.90% to end at 18,352.76. Both indexes reached all-time highs during the session, with the S&P 500 marking its 34th record close in 2024. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.17%, closing at 39,375.87. Year-to-date performance. This year, the S&P 500 has rallied 16.7%, posting its fourth positive week out of the last 5. Investors are betting that any economic weakness later this year will lead to a Federal Reserve rate cut. The Nasdaq has seen an impressive year-to-date gain of 22.3%. Jobs report impact. The labor data released on Friday showed a 206,000 increase in non-farm payrolls for June, but the unemployment rate slightly rose to 4.1%. Economists had expected the jobless rate to remain steady at 4%. This uptick in unemployment has fueled expectations that the Fed might cut interest rates later this year. Treasury yields and Fed rate cut hopes. Following the jobs report, Treasury yields fell as investors anticipated a potential Fed rate cut. The odds of a quarter-point rate cut in September jumped to about 77%, up from 64% just a week ago, according to the CME Group's FedWatch tool. Market reactions. Seema Shah, Chief Global Strategist at Principal Asset Management, noted, "The rise in the unemployment rate raises the odds of a September Fed rate cut. However, it also prompts concerns about the direction of the U.S. economy. Today's report adds to the picture of economic softening." Notable stock movements. Tesla saw a significant rise of over 2%, with a week-to-date gain of about 27%. Apple shares also jumped more than 2% to a new all-time high. On the other hand, Nvidia slipped nearly 2% after a rare Wall Street downgrade, but still ended the week up about 1.9%. Weekly performance. All three major indexes finished the week in the green. The Nasdaq Composite advanced 3.5%, the S&P 500 climbed nearly 2%, while the Dow underperformed slightly, adding close to 0.7%. Markets were closed on Thursday for Independence Day. That's it for today's market update. The latest jobs report has certainly stirred hopes for a potential Fed rate cut, driving the S&P 500 and Nasdaq to new highs. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on market trends and financial news. Thanks for watching.